Hi guys! Welcome back to Crafty Kids! In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a really easy paper gift idea for Valentine's Day. So this is a really easy way of making a paper Valentine's Day gift and is useful too. So as you see, you'll be having like a small heart in shaped paper craft like this, and if you pull it from both sides, you'll be having a cute message in the center. This is our craft, so this is a really easy way of making this gift and you can gift it to your Valentine. So we'll be having two hearts in half like this, and we'll be having a short message inside, so you can write any message you want. So here I just wrote I love you and happy Valentine's Day, so you guys can write any message you want. And over here, instead of heart, you can also do any different designs, and you can do small decoration ideas over here and anything like this. So then it's also really easy to close, so you can just close it like this and it looks like a normal ordinary heart at the back and front as well, and if you open it, it'll be like a secret message inside. So without any further delay, let's get started. We'll be seeing how to make this really easy, cute Halloween Valentine's Day craft idea. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you will receive a notification whenever I upload a video. So now let's get into the video. So the first step is that we're going to be taking all the materials we require. So this is a very simple craft and we only need a few materials. The first one is a rectangular strip of paper like this. So I'm taking 30 into 7 centimeters piece of paper. So you guys can take any size you want. That fits according to you. If you take the size, it will be perfect fit for it. I'm also taking a small white piece of paper to write the message inside, and I'm also taking a black pen and a red sketch to write the message in and for coloring purposes. You guys can take other materials, other craft materials and markers to decorate as well. So the first step is that we're going to be taking this paper and we're going to be folding it in half like this. After we complete this, we're going to be folding it in half one more time like this. So next step is that we're going to be opening this piece like this, and we're going to be opening it to the back. So we'll be having 3 creases over here like this. So next we're going to be taking this piece and we're going to be folding it to the center in such a way that if you open it, you'll be having a fold again over here. So we're going to be repeating the same step. So we're going to be taking this piece and we're going to be folding it to the center inwards part over here like this. So please do the foldings properly so that you'll get a proper output. So now we're going to be opening it again like this, and we'll be opening it. So now we'll be having totally 5 creases, 1, 2, 3 that we already had, and 2 that we folded now. So the next step is that we're going to be folding it back inwards like this, and we're going to be turning it to the opposite side like this over here. So after we complete this, we're going to be folding it like this onto this side, and I'm going to be opening this piece and I'm going to be folding it to this side as well. So we're just doing all these foldings so that we get the proper creases and it'll be easy to fold. So now we're going to be taking this piece over here. So we're going to be taking the corner piece that we already had, and we're going to be folding it one more time to the middle part like this. So we're going to be taking it and we're going to be folding it again to this crease part that we had over here like this on the opposite side as well. So after we complete this, we'll be having this part for lifting it up, and we can write the small message over here. So next, I'm going to be turning this piece of paper to the opposite side like this over here. So now we're going to be folding it like this and securing all the parts over here so that it gets properly folded like this. So now I'm going to be just using a scissor to just apply some force over here and to get the foldings properly like this. So next step is that we're going to be turning it to the opposite side over here, and we're going to be securing it and doing the same step again. And now we're going to be turning it back again over here, and we're going to be folding all the 4 corners inwards like this. So we're going to be folding all the 4 pieces to the crease that we already made like this over here. So this is a very important step, so please follow along properly. So once we complete doing this, we're going to be opening this piece over here, and we're almost going to be pushing it inwards like this. Like this, we're going to be folding it inwards, and we're going to be opening it, and we're going to be folding it inwards again, and we're going to be opening it. So now we're going to be opening this piece again, all the pieces that we folded over here, and now we're going to be turning the paper to the opposite side. So once we turn it to the opposite side, we're going to be repeating the same step on the opposite side of the paper as well. So we're going to be folding all the 4 sides to the middle and over here so that the foldings will be perfect. So we're going to be doing that like this. So now we'll be having like 4 triangles formed over here. So now we're going to be opening one of the triangles like this over here, and we're going to be taking it and we're going to be folding this piece over here, and we're going to be applying some force so that this part gets pressed down like this. So I'm going to be repeating the same step over here on this side of the paper as well. So I'm going to be pushing this in over here like this, and now we're going to be pushing this one over here like this, and like that on the other side as well. So once we complete this, I'm going to be turning this piece over here to the back hand side over here like this, and now we're going to be turning it open and we're going to be pushing all the folds back again. So these are not necessary for compulsory to do, but we're just doing this so that the foldings will be really easy to do, because if you don't do it properly then it will be really hard. So now we're going to be turning the paper again, and as we did now, we're going to be doing it same on the opposite side as well. So we're going to be doing the same steps but on this side. So now since we folded it on the other side, it will be easy to do the foldings, but if you do not do that properly, then this foldings will be kind of hard to complete. So that's why we did that previous step for completing it. So now we're just going to be applying some little bit of force over here, and we're going to be sticking it. So as you see, if you do not do it properly, you will be getting like some small turns over here. So please do the steps carefully. So now we've completed doing this, and now we're going to be turning this piece of paper to the opposite side of the paper like this over here. So now we'll be having like a small space like this and this piece over here. So now I'm going to be folding this piece inwards over here like this, and we're going to be folding it one more time over here on this side. So once we complete this, I'm going to be turning this piece of paper again to the back side, and we're going to be folding the bottom part like this inwards over here, and this bottom part inwards again like this. So we're going to be keeping it as it is over here at the bottom, and at the top we're going to be folding it to the middle point over here like this, and we're going to be folding it again like this over here, and now we're going to be folding it at the top like this. So now I'm just going to be putting a little bit of force over here in such a way that this part comes inside like this, and now we're going to be repeating the same step on the opposite side as well. So we're going to be turning it, folding the bottom part, and we're going to be pushing the top part over here like this, and we're going to be taking this piece over here on this side, and we're going to be turning it to the opposite side, and we're going to be pushing it in like this. So once we complete this, we're going to be opening it back over here and opening the top parts like this over here, and now we're going to be folding the top parts inwards like this, a little bit at the top over here on these sides. So now we're going to be turning it back inwards, and we're going to be folding these parts in over here like this. So once we complete this, we'll be having like a heart-in shape like this, and we can open it and we can write the message and we can close it like this. So now we're going to be keeping this aside, and I'm going to be taking the red piece of paper, white piece of paper that we had, and I'm going to be writing the message over here. So I'm just going to be writing I, and I'm going to be putting a small heart like this, and I'm going to be putting you over here. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be writing Happy Valentine's Day. So you might not have space, so I'm just going to be writing Happy Valent over here, and Times at the bottom over here, and Day at the last. So once we complete this, I'm going to be taking a red marker, and I'm going to be coloring the heart in red color like this. So now this part is ready. So now we're going to be applying some glue in the middle piece of the paper that we had like this over here. Now we're going to be taking the message that we had, and we're going to be sticking it gently like this inside like this over here. So now our gift is almost ready. So now we have this part, and now you guys can fold this inwards like this over here on this part here as well. So now if you guys want, you can even write like a pull sign over here. You can just like pull over here and pull over here, and if you open it, our gift will be ready. So this is a really easy and cool Valentine's Day gift to do, and also be a really great surprise to do. So it'll be like a normal heart like this, and after you open it, you'll be having a really cute message inside. So after we complete this, our really easy paper Valentine's Day gift idea is ready. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So before you conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you receive a notification whenever I upload a video. So have any doubts in my videos or any ideas that I should post on my channel, don't forget to comment in the comment box below. I'll read your comments and respond to them as soon as possible. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. And I wish you all a very happy Valentine's Day. Bye!